Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix where winds meet game, crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if it helps. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now select check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select where winds meet, then select restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select where winds meet game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on your PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available, and finally choose update using internet option. Next method is to reinstall where winds meet game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install where winds meet game again to check for the error. Final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already provided in the description. You just have to open it and explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game. Hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.